Hello, this is Lee speaking from Bangkok, Thailand. Recently, our team, Sourcingyuan, launched a new service. I call it local market, local excavation and factory visiting service by a remotely camera. In this service, we team go through the China local market, like Guangzhou Baima, clothes market, Shenzhen Huaqiangbei electronic markets, Foshan furniture, and etc. And we go through the Canton Fair. We go through some, go inside some factories and with our remotely camera. I think by this service, there is multiple of benefits to our customer. It means you can check different design, latest trend in the market in a very short time. And with our translation service and remotely camera, you talks with a customer talks with a vendor on a real time, and you can make a quick design. And in excavation means we can connect the link card for you if you need. And in the factory, we go inside the factory to take a photo, sit down with the boss, talk with your boss, and go inside the factory to check the production line and finally give you a report. And of course, you can talk with the boss directly. We works on behalf of you. So this is a remotely service, and I think it means the benefits for you is first, lower your cost, right? Because you travel to China, and normally I think it costs thousands of dollars, right? And the second benefit is time saving. Previously, you spent let's see, a couple of days, let's see, 1 week. You travel to China, and they just have few days to go to the market to talk with the factory, and you're always on the way by car or by train, by flight. It limited your ability to check as many the factory you want. But now with our service, it's pretty convenient for you. We visit the factory, we visit the market, and to get some good options, good supplier vendors, in a very quick short time. I think this is the second benefit, is time saving, right? And third is efficiency, of course. In case you are not happy with when you travel to China, you are not happy with some vendors, but you don't have a lot of options. But with our service, we can go, very quickly, whenever you want. So with a very lower and reasonable budget. And I think this is the number 3 for you and the benefits. That's all. If you guys love our service, so contact with us. Yeah.